Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another gig log. This time it was at the public house, which thank goodness, because today we were dealing with a blizzard. So they call this a bomb cyclone or a bombogenesis. Anyway, we had this wicked stormy winter day. As you can see by this map, we are in that light pink band of 12 to 18 inches of expected snow. And that would be about 30 to 46 centimeters for anybody else in the world. Luckily, we knew this was coming, and really lucky, the public house didn't have any events the night before, except for the rehearsal dinner, and no events the day of prior to the wedding. So I was able to get there the night before and load in and get everything all set up, which was very, very helpful considering how stormy the next day was. Now, the public house is beautiful anyway, but it is extra special when it snows out. It's a really pretty place. Now, for winter weddings, they have the ceremony right there in Page Hall. They have it all set up for the ceremony. Then after the ceremony, they break it down. Everybody moves into the barn, which is the room next door, which is a real 18th century barn converted. Anyway, someday I'll do a video on the public house. But anyway, all the guests will go in there for cocktail hour and then close the doors. The staff will flip Page Hall, get it all set up for dinner service and for the reception.
Marriage is best described as a completion of one's heart.
So the ceremony was very nice. There was a sign language interpreter, which was kind of cool. I haven't had one of those in a long time. For their first dance, they did Led Zeppelin's Thank You, which was really, really cool. I'm a big Led Zeppelin fan, so that was a real cool one to play. And the father of the bride's toast was really cool too.
Family and friends, let's have a big round of applause for Andrew and Elizabeth and Mr. and Mrs. Menendez. As Liz and Andy find their way to their head table, we have a toast for you. And this toast is going to be from Liz's dad, Richard. Richard, I've got a microphone for you right here.
actually have 2 toasts to make tonight. So don't drink all of your champagne in the first one. When we booked the place in 2020, we thought COVID, well, 2022, certainly it was going to be gone. And we were wrong. So a lot of people overcame fears, concerns, and you came, I mean, this is a lot of people to show up to one venue. Second, we looked at the weather forecast about 2 weeks ago, and we said, oh look, it's clear. It's going to be fine. It might be a little cold, but it'll be nice. And then about a week ago, I had never heard the term bombogenesis before, but apparently we have it. So, for those of you that showed up last night, thank you very much. For those of you that showed up today, I am really impressed, because that was not easy.
Dancing was great. They came to party. As you can see, I actually brought lights this time. This was just a simple Chauvet gig bar 2. Anyway, it was a blast. A lot of great dancing, great people, great times.
The Public House has a gift for Andy and Liz.
So the Public House ended up having this really nice
Very special gift,
black and
just for
gold
tonight.
metal
Where is it?
yardstick that they
Allison
presented
has a beautiful
to
gift for you
the
guys.
bride and groom.
They
It was
went
really,
outside
really
and they
cool.
measured, okay, 16.5 inches out there tonight. And they have an autographed yardstick from the staff here at Public House. Pretty much everybody was working tonight, myself included. She went out there, she made sure it's 16.5 inches, and you guys all made it to this.
All right, so it was a really fun one. As always, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, peace.